Yeah, this is the patent date plate on the bottom leg of this Axelson, and I thought I'd show that because, you know, some people are interested in such things. I think it's interesting, but I don't have time to look up patent dates. Also, get a good shot of the, if I can, of the plates here. Down at the bottom, it shows the size. Then, see if I can hold this steady. It's really tough. Okay, there's the serial number 1022. The threads that it will cut, and the feeds. And we get up here. I don't know how much difference there is in these, but I've seen these 14-inch ones with spindle speeds down a little under 900, I think. And this is a high-speed model, which is remarkable for its age to, you know, have 1127 RPMs. Yeah, okay. Now, I'm gonna throw in a sexy curve. I'll show you, I found it. That's the plastic cooler I was trying to prop myself up on. Now look at the tailstock here and the bed. Now, isn't that a nice shape? I mean, it fits real good. Yeah, just kind of curved. And there's no on other lathes. It's just kind of sawed off there. So it's very thoughtful. Well, okay. I'll call this good.